Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with the Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. Now let's get on to it. First off, I'm going in with a shade called Cheese Dust. The second color I will be going into is this yellowy color right here. It's called Food Videos. And I'm just going to put it on top of the cheese dust. So this color is lighter than I expected it to be, so I'm just building it up. Now I'm gonna clean up my lid, go in with Trisha. The brush that I had cheese dust on, and I'm gonna go back in just to blend it out. And then I'm gonna take the brush that I had Food Videos on and blend it out again once more, just so there's no harsh lines and all the colors are shown more. And then I'm gonna do it to the other eye. Just like I did on this eye, I'm gonna go back in with cheese dust and food color. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna put some of the cheese dust on. And now I'm gonna put in the corner the Diet Cola. And this is the final look.